Today, we're tackling a common summer dilemma: how to pick the perfect, ripe watermelon. Stick around, and you'll never bring home a bland melon again. Let's dive in. Step 1. Look for a uniform shape. A good watermelon should have a uniform shape. So avoid watermelons with irregularities and pick those with a consistent, symmetrical shape. Step 2. Check for a creamy yellow spot. A creamy yellow spot on the watermelon indicates ripeness. Step 3. Thump test for hollowness. The classic thump test can help determine ripeness. Ripe watermelon has a deep hollow thump sound and an underripe one has a dull thud. Step 4. Look for a dull skin. A shiny surface often indicates an underripe watermelon. A dull watermelon skin is the perfect choice. Step 5. Check the field spot. The field spot, where the watermelon sat on the ground, should be a creamy yellow. Step 6. Feel the weight. A ripe watermelon should feel heavy for its size. Step 7. Examine the tail. The tail of a watermelon can also provide clues about its ripeness. Watermelons with dried tails always indicate maturity. Step 8. Avoid cracks and bruises. Cracks and bruises are signs of potential issues inside the watermelon. So, always look for these signs so as to know which to avoid. And there you have it. Your guide to picking the perfect, ripe watermelon. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.